Boom. All right, let's go. Let's get out of here. I don't know how good it's recording right now. I'll get to some light. I wasn't really planning on making this a walking video, but I just started walking, you know? Oh yeah, that's the town right there. That's what it's called. So, let's take this off. That one time I walked was I went that way, and now I'm going this way. Kind of going in a little circle here.
Kick it.
Here, record me. Here. It's a dead. What is that anyway? A pigeon?
I think so.
I think it's gonna come alive when I kick it.
It flies at you.
Ah! Oh, what's that?
Oh,
Oh god, I flipped it over.
let's go now.
Record it.
Grab and fly away. Okay. Oh. Grab it by its tongues. Can't throw it away, like, make it fly. Yeah. I'll be in Breaking Bad.
Okay.
I'll threaten to kill his son and take his baby.
Are those boomers?
What?
Are those boomers?